it's Jeremy, Wheelers and RVers. Just wanted to start doing a video on this new little project we have going on. We just finished the rear corner guards for the Jeep, and now we are going to install the rock hard C-pillars. We already did do the unboxing and everything. I didn't record that because it was a bunch of saran wrap and bubble wrap, but I couldn't really find any good videos on this. It was pretty much just paper instructions. So we have this one in, and I'm going to grab the phone from Ash right quick. And what you want to kind of do is pull back the carpet. This is the passenger side. Pull back the carpet. I unclipped everything, and then there's this one bolt right there that's your reinforcement bolt for the door latch. So you take that out, drop this bar in behind the plastic, under the plastic, put that in, and then you're going to mark that hole and then these two holes. Do the exact same thing on that side, which I've already marked and taken the bar out. But the most important thing is not only getting them lined up, but this right here is that on the passenger side, they do have it in the instructions, but you have your evap canister and everything going on right here. These lines, they are right in the way of where your drill bit could potentially come through. So pop them off this stud, put a license plate in between them and the body, something metal to keep the drill bit from hitting them. Or like I'm gonna do, just have Ash hold these off to the side until I get the drill bit done and through there. So I'm gonna get to drilling real quick, center punching and all that, and we will be back here shortly. All right, we're back again. Ash is going ahead. We got everything riv nutted in. She is tightening those up. Got this one down here. And yeah, there's that side. She's already got this side tightened up. So now it's just time to, I'll put some white vinyl just over these to cap them off so it kind of blends in. But yeah, pretty stout little bars, and the powder coating is beautiful. So, and lastly, let's see how close this riv nut is to the evap lines. So here is the evap, and that riv nut, that drill bit would have caught it right there. So that was pretty close. I'm actually going to put like a piece of rubber or something in between there, or take this line off and zip tie it to the outside of this bracket, so that way it's further away. It's a nice space away from that. So, but yeah, other than that, that's these guys. And next is going to be the overhead bar for the rear, just like the front bar right there, but it's going to be just that bar. So we'll be back. Hey everybody, here's the finished product. Still have to put the white vinyl on, but nice and strong. Cut the carpet around, made it all nice. You can barely see the mount and the bottom. Everything fit perfect, measures out, squared, and yeah, it works pretty nice. Hope you enjoyed this one.